Hello Action Takers, this is Alenka from Affiliate Marketing Action Today. Welcome to my channel where I do money-making online product reviews and share tips with you on how to start and maintain your affiliate marketing business online. So before I go on, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and if you enjoy this video. So today I'd like to share with you why Wealthy Affiliate Program Premium Membership is simply a must if you'd like to make your affiliate website a success online. You can definitely start for free, as I've already mentioned in my previous video. But if you'd like to take it to the next level, you really need to go premium because you get access to all the tools that you need. And one good thing about Wealthy Affiliate Program is that you get all that you need to run your business online under one roof and in one place, and most importantly for one price. So let's have a look. So why should you invest in your business and in your training at all? I read often that people complain they need to pay for the training, they need to pay for hosting, they need to pay for someone to design their website. Well, sadly, or expectedly, you do need to pay for whatever you're expecting to get. And similarly, if you're providing a service or sharing your knowledge, it is only fair that someone pays you for your knowledge or your experience that you're sharing with them. So this is the same thing with Wealthy Affiliate Platform. You get world-class training and world-class service, second to none actually, for one price, which I think it's a steal, really. When you think how much you spend on your university education, or how much I've spent on my university education, this is simply peanuts, really, in comparison. So how much does it cost? Let's get that out of the way immediately. First month, you pay $19 because you get my bonus, where you pay only half price. Then if you continue your membership, you pay $49 per month. Or if you pay yearly, which is $359 per year, it comes around $29 per month, which, when you think about it, is less than $1 per day to get this stellar service for your business. So I think it's a no-brainer, really. Still, let's go and have a look at the details. So what do you get as a premium member? As I've already mentioned, you get everything you need to start, build, scale, and maintain your online business. You get everything under one roof and everything for one fixed price. And here's a summary of what you get. You get weekly live classes. Jay Neal, who is one of the top affiliate marketers in the world, does his weekly webinar on Friday evenings, and it's a must to watch. You learn every week something really, really fantastic you can implement immediately into your business. And also you can, because they're all on replay, there are over 300 hours worth of training for you to watch whenever at your convenience. Then you get an online entrepreneur certification, which is 50 lessons, and this is a course that will take you from newbie to pro in affiliate marketing, and this is applicable to any niche. If you'd like to venture into the money-making online niche, that is the niche that I do. They have affiliate bootcamp training where you have 70 lessons. And this course, just as the same as a certification course, is fabulous. It's addictive, in fact. I'm about to finish it and start the Super Affiliate Challenge, the Wealthy Affiliate. But if you'd like to start your training, these are the two courses you should definitely do first. You can also become, let me just see this, you can get access to the training from other premium members at the Wealthy Affiliate. So after you've been a premium member for 3 months, you're encouraged to create your own trainings for which you get paid. Most members leave their trainings available to all. I do that to the starter members, to the free starter members, and to the premium members. So you get thousands you get access to thousands of trainings by other more experienced members, which is great. In fact, if you let's say you run into a problem, you don't know how to solve something on your website, you can go immediately back to the Wealthy Affiliate, type in your query, and one of the premium members will not only answer that question, but if you ask them, they'll create a training for it, which is just great. Now you can run 50 websites for free with your premium membership. So you get 50 websites, hosting for those websites, and everything else that comes with the hosting for free. So this is especially attractive to anyone who might be running their website design agency, or if you're planning to have many websites in the future. However, before you go on and plan how to have 50 affiliate marketing websites, I would suggest you start with one, concentrate on that one, make that one a success, and then copy and paste your blueprint, and then create more websites. Don't make the same mistake as I did and started 2 websites at the same time, and there's just not enough time to do that. Not just that, but we don't have enough experience nor the knowledge how to run 2 websites parallel. So stick with one. Now you get state-of-the-art hosting and support. Wealthy Affiliate offers managed and automated monitoring of your website 24/7. You also get access to support round the clock, and the average response time is 5 minutes. I have not seen this anywhere else. If you have any problems with your website, and they don't really happen often. I think in the last 13 months I've had 1 issue, and the site support sorted it out in literally 10 minutes. Now this sort of hosting, if you were to get it anywhere else, would cost you between $200 and $250 per month. Not only do you get this with your premium membership for less than $1 per day, but also this hosting is even faster than these services. So it's truly impressive. Since your content is the most important thing on your website, the co-founders of the Wealthy Affiliate felt really strongly about creating a content platform, and this is the place where you go and create your posts. You get access to over 1 million free images. You get spelling check, grammar check, templates for efficiency. It is fantastic. I shall create a separate video only on that. It is that impressive. Now, the next impressive thing is Jaxi, the keyword tool. So once you decide you're going to write an article for your website, you need to find your keyword that you're going to center your article around. For that, you need a keyword tool. So when you're at the Wealthy Affiliate, you don't need to buy a separate keyword tool. You get one provided with the premium membership, and that's Jaxi. You get unlimited searches for keywords, keyword suggestions, and you get 100 ranking scans as well. You can also upgrade Jaxi, but it is truly not necessary. I've been using the free version, and it is plenty, really. It's just what they offer is very generous. What you also get with the premium membership is these access to supportive community of successful affiliate marketers. Working online is a very lonely business. We just sit at home by ourselves writing our articles. So it's very nice to be in a community where you can talk about your affiliate marketing interests, about the challenges that you might be facing, and it's just nice when you can go to someone and say, "Oh, I really don't feel like writing this blog post today," and then you have 20 people saying, "Yeah, you can do it, go for it," and then somehow you just feel encouraged and you do go and do it. Also, I find affiliate marketers really are not the understood sort on this planet, because your family, your friends, they don't really understand what is it that you're actually doing online 24/7 and earning money. So it's good to have access to a community of like-minded people. Before I finish this video, I'd just like to ask you, what is the price of your financial freedom? Is it really just, is it worth $50 per month or $30 per month? Or is it not worth that much money? When you think about it, that you could be spending $1 per day on something really silly, like I don't know, a candy or something. You'd be spending more. You'd be spending $5 on that. So $1 per day is definitely not too much to invest in yourself, your education, your training, and your business. Because at the Wealthy Affiliate, these two things are interconnected. So before I finish, I'd like to invite you again to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please come and check out Wealthy Affiliate for free. First of all, you get the free access for 7 days, and then you get my bonus of your first month membership for half price. And once you do that, it'll be very hard to leave, because you will be just so geared up and inspired to run your business online and achieve your financial freedom and ditch 9 to 5 forever. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.